This is Gateway of India.
Yeah, this is Gateway of India. We are
We are heading
enjoying.
towards Elephanta Caves.
Yes.
And we are waiting for a boat to get filled.
Yeah. So it's really awesome.
Today, though it's a Sunday, but we can see very less number of people over here.
Yeah.
As you know, this is due to the pandemic.
Yeah. But people are there. People are enjoying.
Yeah,
Come this side, no?
sometimes it's good to have good to enjoy with less crowd.
Yeah. Huh. Yay! Let's go. People are sitting in their houses and we are enjoying our life. No, we are so lucky. We are just enjoying. We are enjoying. It's a fun enjoyment time. Doing masti, yaar. Huh. So now the boats are waiting for us, and so now we are moving, and now we are going to Elephanta Caves. So guys, let's go. Cruise, yeah, it's a cruise. Small. It's true. Babu. Oh God. It's a small boat, but he's doing just masti ki we are going by cruise. Babu. Oh my God, I'm enjoying. Seriously, it's awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome. Seriously, I'm so happy. So traveling vlog. This is our first vlog, Babu. This is our first vlog, no? Yay! He's so much excited. Yeah. Wow. So let's go inside.
चलिए नीचे
हाँ चलो let's go.
त्याच्यावर पाय दे पिवळ्या याच्यावर आणि नंतर सेकंड पाय त्याच्यावर.
Okay. तू पकड़.
लास्ट टाइम गेलेलो मोठ्या बोटने गेलेलो.
It's okay. Let's sit here. Wow. Awesome. Wow, say something.
What should I say? Now we are heading towards Elephanta Caves. This is
Very
old historic place that we are going to visit.
cool. How much time it takes?
See, this boat is very high speed boat.
Really?
Yeah, it will take at least 50 minutes to reach there. Very high speed.
अच्छा 50 minutes it
Very high speed.
वो seriously you're saying doing masti.
It's so
Let's see.
speedy that if I try to walk on the road, even I will reach before.
Oh
So
God.
it's very speedy.
Oh God, I know you're doing
I
masti.
mean, sometimes you can compare the speed of the boat with the speed of a light.
Oh my God.
Thanks to a fantastic engine.
Oh God.
The motor is awesome.
The motor is there. Eh no, this is not motor. That is that side.
This is
Back side.
time pass wheel. Which
Acha, this is time pass. This one. I'll show you. Yeah, this one.
finally three people are coming and hopefully we will get our boat started
Yeah.
in few minutes.
Yes. One more boat is there. You can see.
I think the issue could be because you know if you are doing masti, please put your mask
Yeah. Let's.
and keep this ticket in your
Yeah, this is very important.
popla.
How much cost of this?
150 rupees per person.
Per person. It's only 150 rupees. And you say, I also have. What's that one? Photos. Yeah. Yeah, we click. This is couple of photos. This is Gateway of India.
No, this is Hotel Taj and this is Gateway of India.
Yeah. This is Gateway of India. This is Hotel Taj. It's beautiful, yaar. And it is at only 30 rupees. No? 30 rupees. Two photos we got.
So going to Elephanta Caves after long time. during pandemic this
हाँ,
might be
during
different
pandemic
experience altogether.
I'm going first. I heard so many times, but then I got that opportunity.
Wallah.
Yeah, wallah. Oh yeah ना. अच्छा. सही है. सही यार. It's amazing यार. Wow. आवाज कितनी छान करता है. So finally we reached. Yeah, we reached to place towards Elephanta Caves, right? So finally we
You
reached
can
here.
see a lot of shops.
Wow, some shops. So there are many shops. You can see here.
Don't look at the monkeys.
Yeah, monkeys are also there. Don't look at monkeys. Oh God. Wish me all the best. Wow, Ganpati Bappa.
Keep the mobile.
So beautiful यार. हाँ यार. इसको टिबेटियन उनका कुछ बोलते हैं ना, मंत्रा कुछ रहता है ना.
ओम सॉन्ग
ओम. अच्छा वाह.
मेडिटेशन के लिए
अच्छा.
वाइब्रेशन करते हैं, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन अच्छा होता है।
ओके. क्या प्राइस है इसका?
800
800 रुपये का. अच्छा. ओम साउंड बाउल. ओके. So ornaments are so beautiful. So now we buy these 2 ornaments. They are so beautiful, and they are at only 50 rupees. I'm also very surprised. So I think it's a good deal. Oh my God, monkeys are there. Things. So I'm happy. So let's go. Achha, trucks are also there. Fishes are there. Dinosaurs are there. It's made up of. Bacha is there. You can see that bacha. Don't attack here. No. I don't want that. It's my production house. So let's go ahead. Beautiful bags. Here also. Wow, Ganpati Bappa. बाबा एक मिनट. हाँ.
हे 300 का.
People are there. Wow, shops are there. Bags are beautiful bags, huh? Wow, nice. Wow, such a beautiful stones are there. Oh my God, it's lovely. You can see here, such a beautiful stones.
चिकन फ्राई, वेज नूडल्स, चिकन नूडल्स।
Wow. Hi. हाँ, श्री कृष्णा. Wow. हाँ, Lord Ganesh. Beautiful यार. Wow. I love it, yeah. Seriously, I love it. And I think rate also reasonable, no? 250, 200. Nice. All Babu. Our Dattachi Yatra, no? Alibag. Yes. It's kind of like Alibag. You might be know Dattachi Yatra. People are buying some stuff. Books are there. Good. One monkey. He's so cute, yaar. See? Okay. Yeah. What's that? अच्छा, गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया. वाओ. Wow, nice. I love this Gautam Buddha. This is candle stand, ना?
कैंडल स्टैंड और दिया भी रखते हैं।
ओके. कितना प्राइस है इसका?
150 का प्राइस है इसमें।
अच्छा अच्छा.
ये पूरा वन पीस में बना हुआ है।
ओके, ठीक है, आते हुए हम देखते हैं. थैंक यू.
अलग अलग डिजाइन मिल जाता है।
Okay. You can see again. There are a lot of types of candle stands. These all are candle stands actually. So we can keep candle inside. Interesting. Seriously. Wow. Here also one more shop is there. Here also you can see. Let's go ahead now. So finally, yes. So finally we reached to Elephant Caves. Yeah, yes. So this is Elephanta Caves. Okay. So let's go there. Babu, you want to say something?
Hi.
Hi. So yes. So Elephanta Caves. Let's go ahead. Yes, Babu.
Mask eye professional.
Yes, mask. Yes, we have mask, so we can go inside. Babu.
Hey, hello. So finally we are here.
Yes, we reached. You can see.
Like ocean of Arab Ocean.
Yes, you can see that ocean. Okay. So this is a bay. This is Elephanta, and go inside. Okay, so how much cost of this?
40 rupees.
Acha, it's 40 rupees each. Okay. You can see.
Taking flowers is allowed. झाडांची पाकळी
Oh, Babu.
हिरवळ गोवा कचरा टाका.
हाँ, he's saying all ulta. All ulta. So you can see here.
This is the first cave,
Yeah, first cave.
and on the right hand side we have the cave number 2, 3, 4, 5. But this
Okay.
is the first.
Wow. Yeah, let's go.
So there are 5 main caves out of this. This is the first one.
Okay. So total 5 caves are there.
5 important caves are there.
5 important caves.
The small ones.
Okay. Means small caves are also there.
Yeah, but
That's
those
good.
are very small. Those
Okay.
can be middle.
Okay.
These are the 5 big ones. Which
So
are
you-
tourist attractions.
Okay. So you can see. Wow. It's.
You can click some photos as well.
Huh. We'll click some
With
photos.
me from Denmark and my wife from Paris and wife.
हाँ,
India.
from this cap is from Paris and this cap is from Denmark. That's why he's saying.
जूता है जापानी ये टोपी डेनमार्कस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी नीली फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
Oh God. So let's go ahead. People are there. Nice. So guards are there. Wow, lot of people are there. People are enjoying it. Guide also available. If you want guide, you can take a guide from here. Ha, see, let's go ahead.
See how big statues are.
Oh wow.
Few of them are broken.
Babu, Babu.
Few are well intact.
Ha, come now. Let's go ahead.
But due to such a
So we'll have some photos. Okay.
we are in front of the Shivlingam.
Ha, shoot.
You can see the picture.
Which, oh my God. Huh?
You can see the size of the lingam. It's a very big one.
Oh my God. Wow. It's a huge.
Huge lingam. And I will click my wife's photo.
Ha.
And
Ha. We'll click some photos here, okay? So you can
we can see all the Hindu deities, statues of Hindu deities. And I will click my wife's photo in front of this statue. Give me the mobile, please.
my god, अंधेरा. Ooh, let's go. हाँ. बाबू. Wow. मस्त. हाँ, now come. This is second lingam. Shivlingam actually. Shivlinga. It's a Shivlinga. Second one. So in same cave, two links, Shivlings are there. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Shiv Baba. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba, for giving.
So this is third cave,
Yeah.
and you can see, as you can see, it has a good wide space, or open space.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, we don't have any complete statue
Huh.
over here. I mean, we can see a couple of statues, but those are in a very bad shape. Those are very
Yeah.
broken. Even you try to observe it very carefully, you cannot identify.
Okay, I will show now. Come this side. So
This
here
is the
also.
first one, which is a statue, but unfortunately, it is in very bad shape. Yeah, so we cannot identify which
Yeah.
deity statue is this.
Actually.
But rest of the work, if you see the open space, if you see the pillars, they are well intact.
Yeah.
And it's good cave. Okay, number
Seriously. But how they, I think this cave might be 100 years old or more
Are you
than
kidding
that.
me? Are you
then,
kidding
then,
It's more than 1500
oh my.
BC.
Are you seriously 1500 BC? Oh my god.
BC, before Christ, before we
Yeah.
even started the calculating calendar.
Arre baap re, it's too old, yaar. It's too old, but still it is in good condition. You can see, wow, it's amazing, yaar. How they maintain and how they that time before 1500 era.
1500 BC, before Christ.
Yeah, my god. Seriously amazing, yaar. So now also, if we construct anything, no. So now also it's not easy to construct such a things, yaar. 1500 means speechless, no words.
And
Great.
it's not easy job to carve such a thing in a single rock. I mean, you can consider the amount of effort they must have put in to build
Yeah.
this.
Seriously,
And it's not an easy job.
actually, it's not a easy job, yaar. How they made it. Really, yaar.
The last cave.
आता मला काढाल बरं व्हिडिओ कॉल करायची
इकडे बघा इकडे बघा ए नील भाऊ, इकडे बघ तुम्हाला इकडे बघ नक्की
सांभाळून तिकडे लक्ष द्या.
तुम फूल कर रहे हैं तो लोग कर रहे हैं ऐडा हेलो पकड़ो
जरा मोठा आहे.
नाही, त्यांना गुड्डे आवडत नाही. बॅट दे त्यांना, बॅट दे ते. गुड्डे खात नाही तो, जाऊन दे. चहा पण मागेल तो साला.
मेरी तरफ तो देख ही नहीं रहे.
चहा पण पाहिजे त्याला गुड्डे सोबत.
Good.